North Korea claims to have 99% literacy rate. Bullfight is the national sport of Spain. A person who does not know when to stop eating is suffering. Without a pinky finger, you would lose around 50% of your hand strength. Junko Tabi, the first woman to scale Mount Everest. In Italy, it is not a crime to steal food if you are hungry and have no other source of nourishment. The world record for long distance archery is held by a guy with no arms. One side of the road is Germany, the other side is Netherlands. Sony was founded in 1946. This electric rice cooker was their first product. Inventor of chocolate chip cookies sold the idea to Nestle Toll House to return for a lifetime supply of chocolate. The letter Q, W and X were illegal in Turkey for 84 years. It is illegal for a man to kiss a woman while she is asleep in Logan County, Colorado. Female sharks have thicker skins than male. The women of the Mursi tribe in Africa wear plates on their lips that can be as large as 5 inches in diameter. Kazakhstan is the largest importer of uranium to India. Steve Jobs would lease a new Mercedes-Benz every 6 months to avoid using license plates. Engineers created a wireless camera that can ride atop an insect and send image back to smartphone. The world's tallest man, Sultan Kozin, holding a regular-sized can of Pepsi. This is a Japanese honey apple with 100% honey core. One of the largest pyramids in the world is a Bass Pro Shop in Memphis, Tennessee. Stranger Things was rejected multiple times by different networks before Netflix finally picked it up. There is a restaurant in Malaysia where discount system depends on how thin you are. Keeping a piece of bread in your teeth while cutting onion will absorb the vapor and stop you from crying. This intricate patterns under the bark of burnt tree. First morning after Sweden changed from driving on the left side to the right 1967. The world's smallest fruit, Wolffia globosa, or commonly known as ancient watermeal, is the size of a small ant. This is extremely rare atmospheric phenomenon called rainbow bridge. Egyptian babies did not know that one day their daddy will be a mummy. Back in 1925, Glad Roes and Luan Unger played a bit of tennis on the wing of biplane that was on flight. Mike the chicken lived for 18 months without its head. Telling the truth and making someone cry isn't making someone smile. I was today years old when I found about yellow watermelon. India have more people than entire population of continent of Europe and continent of North America combined.
Humans start to think about relatively early in a lifespan by the age of 19.
At the end of the movie It, there is a funny line left by Burger King. The moral is never trust a clown. This was a clever way to troll McDonald's. Thanks for watching.